Wrap the yarn around your pinky, guide it between your index, thumb, and middle fingers. Pinch the yarn, loop it back over the hook, pull the yarn through the loop, and make a CH chain stitch. The CH chain stitch used as a turning chain doesn't count as a stitch. Then work 9SC into the loop. Once you finish the 9SC, pull the tail end tight to close the loop. Finally, make a SL saint in the first stitch to join the round. Then make 5 CH. Don't pull the yarn too tight, keep your tension loose. Flip to the wrong side, and work yarn over into the back loops only below. Those are the little vertical loops on the back side. Insert your hook into the first back loop, then pull the yarn through. Pull the yarn through 5 times total, one after another. Pull the yarn through one more time in the slip stitch spot where your first single crochet was. Now you've got 7 loops on your hook. Yank them off 2 at a time, 6 times total. Then keep pulling the yarn through the back loops one after another, 5 times total. Pull the yarn through the slip stitch spot one more time. Now you've got 7 loops on your hook. Pull M off 2 at a time, 6 times total. Then slip stitch twice in the back loops, one after another. Then make 2 CH. Keep pulling the yarn through the back loops, 5 times total, one after another. Pull the yarn through one more time at the spot of your second single crochet SC. You've also got 7 loops on your hook. Pull M off 2 at a time, 6 times total. Then keep pulling the yarn through the back loops one after another, 5 times total. Pull the yarn through one more time at the spot of your second single crochet SC. You've got 7 loops on your hook. Pull M off 2 at a time, 6 times total. Then skip one back loop. Don't crochet into it. Start slip stitching one after another in the second back loop. Finish off with one more slip stitch at the spot of your second single crochet SC. Alright y'all, here's how to crochet one 4-leaf clover leaf. Takes up 2 stitches. Just follow the same steps to crochet the other 3 leaves. Once you finish the 4th leaf, don't cut the yarn, just make 10 chain stitches. Once you finish those chain stitches, skip back to the 3rd stitch from the end and make 1/2 double crochet HDC. Then slip stitch 7 times in a row, one after another. Slip stitch one more time into that last remaining single crochet spot, then cut the yarn. Weave the yarn end into the back of the work and tuck it in. Snip off any extra yarn, tails, and your 4-leaf clover is done.